Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Achiro Agnes Uti, a student at Glue University. Yes, today we are going to learn something on Microsoft Office, and specifically we are going to learn something on Microsoft Word, how to create a Microsoft Word, or the different ways of creating a Microsoft Word, how to use a Microsoft Word, and how to save your document rightly on the computer. Yes, basically we are going to look at three major ways of opening a Microsoft Word. To kickstart, the first way, you come with your cursor at the desktop here, just like the way I'm doing here. Then you right click. After right clicking, you'll see menu coming. You come to new. Then again you see another menu popping up. You look for where Microsoft Word document is, then you click there. So you will have open your Microsoft Word document. So you can open that and you'll be in position to use this document. You can type your work, you can type your report there. Another way of opening a Microsoft Word is by you coming down here at the start bar. Or at the taskbar here, you see the environment application here. You look for where there is Word document. Here it is. You click on it and you see a blank document right here. You click on, and here is your Word document. You can still type, you can still do anything on that. Another way of opening a Microsoft Word is by coming here at the start bar. You click on that. Then you see Microsoft Word. Here you look for it and you click on it. It can open. There is a blank document. You click on it and there it is. So you can type anything now here on this Microsoft Word that you have created, because you want to type your homework. You want to type maybe your assignment. You want to type your report. You want to type your coursework. Yes, you'll do it here. So after typing the work, you need to correct them. If you want to correct the work, maybe the font size, maybe you want to bold it, you want to underline it, you come to home here. You click on that, you see the environment thing which is coming up. So supposing you want to bold this one and it is a heading, you want to bold it, you have to highlight it. After highlighting, then you come to bold. You see, the work is changed. Then maybe if you want to underline your work, you come here, you highlight this, you highlight like this, then you underline the work. Can be a heading or very important sentence that you need to be, that it needs to be underlined. Or you want to change your lettering, maybe to italic, go to Time Roman, you come here, you highlight, then you, that is italic. Then if you want to increase the font size or decrease the font size, you come here at home, then you see this drop down arrow, you click on it, like this one is in font size 11, you want it to be to 14, yes, you can click there, it's visibly enough for you to see. Yes, those are the ways of manipulating your work that you have created here, correcting them so that they are good enough for you to save it on a computer. Yes, now how do we save this work here that we have created here? Because we want to use it another time, you want to access it, or you want to send it to someone else. You need to first save it. Then the way of saving, you come to the file here. You look for save as, because it is you're saving this document for the first time. Save as. Then where do you want to save the document? Do you want it to be on the desktop? Yes, if you want it to be on a desktop. Even me, I want it to be on a desktop because it's easy for me to get it there. So here it is. So you have to name your file. You have to name your file. Like for instance, we are going to name this file to be work 4. Yes, then you have to drop down your cursor here where they have written save as type Word document. So you have to click there. You see there are very many applications which are coming here. The recommended way of saving your document is in Word 97 2003 template. Yes, you click there. Why are we saving our work there? We are saving our work there because some other computer, they have older window, of which if you send your work there, it may fail to open. But if you use this template, it can be open. So your work can be open even in an older window and or in a new window. So sometimes you send your work to the lecturer and he fails to open your work. So for you to be on a safer side, it's better you save it in that format. So here now you come and save your work. So your work should be right there at the desktop because we have saved it in the desktop. So basically those are how you can really create a Word document, how you can use it, and how you can save it. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe onto my YouTube channel as usual. Thank you for your comment. Next time we are going to learn something else. Stay tuned to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.